Right, today guys, I'm gonna be coming to the jacuzzi today. I wanna be on a jacuzzi today because of since we came in here, didn't get a chance to be on a jacuzzi. So we wanna be on a jacuzzi today and have some fun. I wanna be like with those people there so I can relax and have some nice stuff. As you can see, they're on top there. So I want to be on this jacuzzi here when I'm done eating. Right, so today we are actually going to be eating, waiting for, where's Lavi? Okay, you must go get it. Okay, so, so today I dished, guys. This is my dish. This is my dish. No, my boy, but bring. Go get me. Jake, get him, mama. Tell me when. Right, so my wife is eating already. They're eating shawarma. Right, they're eating shawarma. Right. Why is shawarma? Shawarma. So you go it's better, ne? Yeah.
It's like food were meant to be eaten.
So that's why you took so long.
Yeah.
I was sitting there waiting for you, you never came.
No, I sent Jake to go get it. So my daughter's getting this. So we're getting shawarmas. They're eating shawarmas today, guys. But for me, I decided I want to eat a full meal. I want to eat a full meal, So we are actually eating. So, let me sit down and eat. Right, guys, so now we are actually leaving. We are departing. We are leaving Muscat. We are leaving Muscat. You can see the sea, water. The cruise ship is actually sailing now. We are leaving now. We are leaving Muscat. This whole place. You can see there we are leaving. We just left the port. The cruise ship is actually turning, as you can see. We are turning, as you can see. We are turning. We're going upstairs. So here, everyone is actually seated upstairs because of they want to see the departure, the cruise ship departure. You see that one is leaving also, ne? Oh, I thought it was leaving. It's actually not leaving. It's us leaving. You can see there. It's us departing.
Let's go.
So you'll think that it's leaving, but it's not leaving. So we're going upstairs. We're going upstairs. Ah. We're going upstairs. That side. Let's go that side. So we can see nicely that side because of it's leaving from that side. Look at where we were. Yeah, so bye-bye Muscat. Bye-bye Muscat.
Bye-bye, Muscat. Muscat. Bye-bye, Muscat.
How are you?
Bye-bye, Muscat.
So we're going. We are now at the back.
Bye-bye, Muscat.
So you can see clearly here.
Bye-bye.
You can see clearly here that actually we at the back of the ship. Hello, 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 hello. At the back of the ship, so everyone is actually taking some glimpse. See, we are now at the back. We were actually in there, so let me quickly put it this way so you can see that we are actually moving. We are moving. Just quickly zoom it.
Bye-bye, Muscat.
All right, so we can see we are moving, right? We are moving, right? And then, okay.
See ya, it's not too late. One mountain, Ella.